Welcome back, Brian.
We hope you enjoyed your Thanksgiving break. This is Christmas for Kids Week. Today is a Fill Up Your Stockings Day. This is a huge week for the community. If you take place all week during first period, high school teachers should tally dress-up days for the Battle of the Classes competition. Tomorrow we are calling all reindeer, elves, toys, and Santas to represent Santa's workshop.
You can purchase your 2020-2021 yearbook online right now. The yearbooks are $65 for grades 9 through 12 and $30 for grades 6 through 8. You can order one at jostens.com.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my yearbook to my friends. We're gonna look back on our memories. I'm gonna take my yearbook to my friends. We're gonna look back on our memories. I got my book here on my back. Memories are attached. Themes stay golden. I got my spirits there to match. Looking at our book, ha! You can get one too. I've been looking back. You ain't ordered one yet. Go get your yearbook now. Go get it now. Go get your yearbook now. Go get it now. Looking at the pictures, thinking about the good days, made so many memories, go look back on them. Middle school's a movie, Brian birthday golden, Patty's belt from Gucci, middle schoolers are moody, go get your yearbook now. Go get it now. Go get your yearbook now. Go get it now. Yeah, I'm gonna take my yearbook to my friends. We're gonna look back on our memories. I'm gonna take my yearbook to my friends. We're gonna look back on our memories.
Make it a great day.
Stay safe, Brian.